This is the Learning Zone at the Edwards Aquifer, and I'm going to talk about amazing adaptations. My name is Kristy Smith, and I'm an environmental scientist in the Threatened and Endangered Species Department at the EAA. Part of my job is to help oversee some of the work that's done in our systems, such as water quality and monitoring our species that are threatened and endangered. And so that's part of our core mission here, to manage, enhance, and protect the aquifer and the species that we find in them. So when you think about the name, Texas blind salamander, well, that kind of gives you an indication. It's blind, and that's because it's evolved to live within our aquifer. But that doesn't mean it doesn't have other adaptations. So it has sensory organs that helps it detect movement within the aquifer. And that's important because it's a top predator, so that it eats some of the other species that we find in the aquifer, such as shrimps, snails, aquatic insects. And that's important that we understand what this top predator is doing, so we understand the overall health of the aquifer. It's very important that we monitor and manage the water quality and quantity within our aquifer so that we can continue to conserve this species, since it's only found here in the Edwards Aquifer. So when we look within the San Marcos River, we find it close to spring sources, so where the water is coming out from the aquifer, and in areas where we don't find a lot of mud, so where it's like clean river bottom, where you find rocks, it can hide from predators, as well as find its prey, which is aquatic bugs or insects. The connection between the two is that they are similar in the fact that they are lungless salamanders, so they have external gills and they live within the aquatic environment their entire lives. The difference is that the San Marcos salamander can go subterranean, or what we say into the aquifer, but lives primarily within our rivers, where the Texas blind lives exclusively within our aquifer. Thank you, and to learn more, visit our website at the Edwards Aquifer Habitat Conservation Plan.